If you are the person that is sent to go grab this code cart, you need to know a couple things. I've got the best tip of the week for you guys that's going to save you some embarrassment when you are in a code blue. I may or may not be speaking from personal experience in the fact that this did happen to me. Whenever there's a code or we're anticipating a patient might code, we always grab the code cart with all of our essential medical equipment on it. First of all, this code cart is usually plugged into the wall. At my hospital, our defibrillator is plugged into the wall. We also have portable suction that is plugged into the wall. Speaking from personal experience, I have quite literally grabbed this code cart and then ripped the plugs out of the wall, and all of my equipment was getting thrown everywhere. Kind of embarrassing, especially when there's an emergency and you need to get all of this stuff to a patient very quickly. The other thing is there's usually some brakes. You can see kind of right there, there's some brakes on the wheels. So you probably need to unlock those brakes as well. I would also take a look at how your code cart drives, because at my hospital, we're able to push the code cart, but if we need to steer it, we actually have to, this one looks a little different, but there's an extra handle that you have to squeeze in order to actually turn the code cart. Otherwise, you can only go straight. When you're at your hospital, take a look at your code cart. If you're not familiar with it, look at, are the wheels locked? How many plugs are plugged in, and then how do you steer it? Because these are all things that when you need to get the code cart to the patient, these are barriers that are going to get in your way. And that's our nursing tip of the week.